I'm here today to speak to you about Quickgrind. How have they helped?
So Quickgrind have been working with us for about 3 or 4 years now. Again, slowly came in with an idea, and we sat here and listened to them. Quickgrind offers a massive service. They've reduced our tool inventory by at least 50%. We've now got tools on grind, on vend, ready to go when we need them, and they're bespoke tools to what we do. So they're not the standard off-the-shelf 10 mil, end mil kind of thing. They're dedicated to what we do and how we use them. The advantage of Quickgrind as well is that they have the custom side. We've needed tools done ASAP, and they've turned around in a day and a half for us. So couldn't think of a better company to work with.
So Mike, it sounds like you've got a pretty good relationship here at Fraser Nash.
Yes, we have. It's probably 3 years into working with them. Good success story for us. Fraser Nash are one of those companies who look forward. Going forward, they're always willing to talk about new strategies and new tooling, and we help them out with any processes that need optimizing. So,
have you got any examples?
Yeah, there's a few jobs we did in stainless steel with them where we used our Mirage four-flute end mills. Recently there was a lot of aluminium coming in. Our new Cayman has worked very well with the coating on, which they've also used in the aluminium bronze, which worked extremely well for us. Also barrel tools, recently, now that they've got into OpenMind software, we're a partner, application partner with OpenMind. But they also use our high feed tools at times, so the Spectre 3-flute and the Phantom 4-flute. Phantom 4-flute is regrindable, so that's an added bonus. So, and our 2-flute, 3-flute aluminium tools as well. So a good range comes in here. We stock them in the vending machine, as I think you saw earlier.
So it's fair to say, Mike, there's a lot of choice for solid carbide tooling. In your opinion, why do you think they're using Quickgrind?
I think it is because they're willing to work with us. So we like to think of clients as partners. So they come to us for optimization of toolpaths as well as cutting tools, and we look to become part of their production. So we very, very much feel ourselves part of a production team for a client who come to us. And I think whereas a lot of companies are a little bit frightened of change, Fraser Nash are really, really interested in looking forward and taking the company forward, and we go with them.
And it sounds like they've used a few of your services, obviously Quickgrind, they've got the Quick Vend, Quickcam Pro on the odd occasion, and have had tools turned around in a matter of 2 days as well.
We've done that for them, yeah. It's something which sometimes you have to do to prove out jobs at times. Get the right tool for the right job is what we love to do. Quickcam Pro has been very important in the development of the barrel tool use here, which has been very successful in the jobs they've had, and I can see that happening more and more. Barrel tools is a good thing for the company like this. If they can use it, they should do.
Happy client?
I think so, hopefully, yeah. Lots of smiley faces when we come in, so I think so. It works very well.